This is the Levoit 2.5 liter humidifier. So here's the components of it. You've got the base here where the water will feed into. You've got the control knob here to turn it on or off. And then you're gonna dial in whether you want less or more humidity. And then you've got the tank here, so the tank holds 2.5 liters, and then you've got the top fill lid that comes right off, so it's really easy to pour your water right in the top here. Now inside of your container here, you do have a filter here, so you're just gonna grab this whole thing. It's a circle. You're gonna grab it and just twist it a little bit to the left. It's just a little turn. And then here it's got these little plastic wings on it that you'll line up to get it back in place. And then here is where your filter is. So it's just this little circle sponge. You'll just put that in. You will have to change these from time to time. Kind of just depends on how often you use it. Then to put it back in, you're just gonna line up those plastic wings that I showed you there and then give it a little twist here to lock it in place. You'll hear a little click, and then it's in position there. So when you're ready to fill it up, all you're gonna do is pour water right into the top of it. Now there is a max fill line here on the back. It's hard to see, but it blends in with the plastic here, but it says max, and there's a little line right there. So you don't wanna fill it over the max fill line. You can use tap water right out of the faucet here. Room temperature water. You don't want to put hot or cold water in it. Just room temperature water is fine. Definitely do not use hot water. They do recommend to use distilled or filtered water when possible. It really kind of just depends on your water. If you've got hard water and things like that, it could just calcify and build up, and then you'll have to just clean your machine more often. So kind of just depends on where you are. Now do not put any essential oils in this machine. Some of their other models you can. This one explicitly says do not put any essential oils in this one. The tank, the base, anything. No essential oils in this one. Once it's all set up, you're just gonna turn the dial here to turn it on. You can set it anywhere from low to high. On the low setting here, it says it'll run up to 25 hours. I typically do closer to the max. And here we go. I've got my shirt behind it so we can see the vapor coming out better. Sorry, it's kind of hard against the wall there. We couldn't really see it. But that's it. You can just leave it on, let it run how you see fit, adjust it up or down, and it works really great. So again, this is the Levoit Top Fill 2.5 liter humidifier, and I really like it.